Portugal Football Adventures. Football travel regarding championships.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What do a bird on a tree branch, and German Chancellor Angela Merkel, or a gardener from Yorkshire have in common? All of them, just like billions of people around the globe, simply know that football championships are the most popular and cost-effective media broadcasts in the world. On the eve of the championship, many televisions wonder what new and different content used to attract sponsors and viewers. Our Football Fan Travelogue in 10 episodes of 45 minutes is an original, interesting and dynamic television format that allows viewers to see the championship from the first hand, the fans' eyes. Casting for fans. In the first 2 episodes, we follow the audition where all the fans in the country are invited to prove that they are the best and most valuable to participate in the show. Race and adventure. After that, the fan race starts, in which 3 fan teams compete who will come first from the starting position, the country of the national team, to the country and city where the championship takes place. But with one limitation. They can travel only by hitchhiking, bike, train, but not 2 days in a row by the same transport, and no more than 2 hours. In this part, we see all amazing experiences and all interesting cities, events and people met by fans on their way thousands of kilometers long. The race winner gets tickets for all matches of his or her national team and spending money for the whole championship. Supporters' Diary. In the preceding episodes, we follow the supporters' diary about their team, before, during and after matches of the national team, but also all fan and football events in and around the championship. This unique fans football concept is an opportunity to further fill up your program and offer a highly viewed product to sponsor.